Hello guys, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we are going to look into exercise 1.3 question 3 bit 3. So let's see what we have in question number 3 bit 3. Coming to the question, they have asked us to prove 6 plus root 2 is an irrational number. Now let's see how we can solve this question. Coming to the solution, we need to prove that 6 plus root 2 is an irrational number. Guys, we already worked out this type of similar questions previously. So now let's see how we can solve this question too. In order to prove this, let us assume that 6 plus root 2 is a rational number and p and q are co-prime numbers. We know that a rational number is always of the form p by q and q is not equal to 0. I believe this is pretty clear. From our previous classes, we very well know that a rational number is a number which is of the form p by q and q should not be 0. Similarly, we also know that a co-prime number is a number which is not which is not having the common factor, or they do not belong to the same table. For example, 2 by 4, it is not a co-prime number because 4 is a factor of 2 and they are having, so as a reason they are having common factor. If I take any prime number like let's say 3 by 5 or 7 by 13, these are the prime numbers and they do not belong to the same table. So we call these as co-prime numbers. Now we assume 6 plus root 2 is a rational number. So let us express this in the form p by q. So we can write 6 plus root 2 is equal to p by q, or root 2 is equal to p by q minus 6. Just moving 6 from left hand side to right hand side. Further solving, we are getting root 2 is equal to p by q minus 6 by 1. We very well know that if we subtract a rational number from another rational number, the answer will also be a rational number. We already know that if we subtract a rational number from another rational number, definitely the answer will be a rational number. So therefore right hand side of the above equation is a rational number. So we can now tell that root 2 is also a rational number, as root 2 is equal to p by q minus 6 by 1. So we concluded here that root 2 is also a rational number. Let's make it as a statement 1. But how can root 2 be a rational number? We very well know that root 2 is an irrational number. We already proved this, or even we can again prove this, that root 2 is an irrational number. So let's make this as a statement 2. Therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side, looking at the statements 1 and 2. This contradicts our initial statement. This contradiction has arisen because of our incorrect assumption that 6 plus root 2 is a rational number. If we remember that we assumed that 6 plus root 2 is a rational number, so knowingly we have taken the opposite of what we need to. So it is clear that 6 plus root 2 is an irrational number. Thus, we can now say without any confusion that 6 plus root 2 is an irrational number. Hope guys you understood this calculation. If you really like my video, kindly subscribe and let your friends know. Thank you. Bye.